Hey guys, it's Ara. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Today we are decorating my house. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Currently, Thomas and I have decorated our tree. We also have presents, but now we have all of this stuff which has to go around the rest of our house. I'll just give you guys a quick tour of what it looks like beforehand because I always like the before and afters. So this is what you see right when you walk in. So you can either walk down this hallway into the main living area, or you can turn and go to our bathroom. Starting off in the bathroom, we just have this little nook, some pictures, as well as our shelves. We have the mirror, we have our countertop, and then we have the shower area. Moving on over here, we have the bedroom, but it is literally so dirty, so we'll leave that. Moving into the hallway, we have this image as well as our shoe and coat rack. This is our throw all closet. And then we have more images here. I really like this part. And then this is the living room. And then we have Thomas's little workbench. It used to be the dining area, but to be honest, we never sat here. So now Thomas has it all geeked out. And then we have our kitchen. We already put up the red curtains and we put up this sign as well. And then also in the living room, we already put up the garland as well as those skis because Thomas skis. Anyway, so we're now going to decorate the rest of our place, which makes me so happy because I love decorating. As for what we have some new towels, new blankets, new pillows, a lot of ornaments. We have new mugs. We have Thomas's Kinder Egg surprise house because he is obsessed with Kinder. I actually think these are, advent calendars. And we also have a bow, and I think we have a few other things kind of in there. So let's get started. These pillows are from IKEA, and oops. I really like this one. I love the pattern on this pillow. And then this one just looks so pretty. It's the perfect red. And then this pillow is from Michael's. And then this blanket is from Walmart. This is actually Midnight, so one of our cat's favorite blankets. She loves to sleep here recently, which I can't blame her. You cannot tell me that this does not scream Christmas. Next, we are going to take this little mug stack. It's from Winners, and we're gonna move this over to the kitchen, to our coffee nook. So I want it right there. I just love how that looks with everything else. And then next to it's the most wonderful time of the year sign. Don't mind all of our dishes. We are cleaning as we go. And by we, I mean him. I do not clean. Just kidding, I clean the bathroom. Well, I sprayed the bleach. Hot chocolate break. Thomas is making fun of me. It's cold. It's actually freezing cold. I think we got this at noon, so 4 hours ago. That is okay though. Hug break. Thomas is done with me. We are going to the bathroom, the dungeon. Someone started the bath. And then we got this little guy from Walmart. This is how the bathroom turned out. Just to note, this is from Walmart, 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 and Walmart. I guess it's sponsored by Walmart. Don't mind how yucky my mirror is. Now we have to Windex. I realized I completely forgot to add this to the kitchen. As well as we can't forget about the snowman plate. Em and I have had this for years. Perfect. Now the kitchen is complete. So I don't remember where Em and I got this from. This is from Walmart. This is from Michael's. These are from Walmart. And that's from Winners. This is the stack we are currently left with. Oh, that's supposed to go in the kitchen as well. Time for another hot chocolate break. Or should I say cold chocolate? Because that is what it is. Thomas wants me to say out with the old, in with the new. Actually, oh, it's so cute. This one, in my opinion, is also nicer than our old one because it has like a rubber bottom instead of like the fuzzy bottom. Now the kitchen is complete. I promise. I don't know if I actually promise. I may have more stuff. This pillow is also from Michael's and it's gonna go on our chair. So that's what this little chair looks like. And then we have this bow. This is actually gonna go on the door to the entrance of our basement. Thomas is unraveling it because I'm incompetent. Hashtag weaponized incompetency. Maybe I am just incompetent. Not to be confused with impotent, which is what I used to think it was. It looks a little sad, but what can you do for $4? Thomas is engineering his way to fixing it, so that is what matters. Now all that's left are these ornaments, and my plan is to kind of like hang them from up here. I think that'd be cute. So let's see if I can get my way through that. We will see. Also, look what I got at the craft fair. Isn't it so cute? They market it as a strawberry mushroom, but I view it as a Pokemon. I should note, I have never watched Pokemon in my life, so. But I know it's kind of like a ball thing, and you throw it at people. Right? Look at Thomas getting his Kinder, like the little 5-year-old he is. He has placed it near the Christmas tree. Thomas in his wildest element, eating the food of his species. Thomas is so done with me, but that's okay. He loves me, right?
Most of the time.
That thing will be haunting me. I told him once he turned 19, adults aren't allowed Kinder. Like, you know when you tell your children things, like things that are just true so that they don't like argue it anymore? Yeah, that's what I did with that. I was like, adults don't eat Kinder eggs. No pearls, they fly away. Guess he's flying away tomorrow, guys. Okay, let's do this. This is what I've been procrastinating. Fun fact, I bought this string for I think it was a grade 11 or grade 12, like, final project, and I've never used it since. So, and I think I used, like, probably, like, 3 feet worth of it, but I probably have another, like, 60 here. So, basically what I'm doing, there's no reason I should be explaining this, but I'm taking the string and just looping it through like the little hole. I'm just going to tie a little double knot. Now that my hands are glittery, and they'll never not be glittery, this is how I think I'm gonna set them up on the rail. I just think the dispersive color looks good and the different sizes look good. So now Thomas and I are gonna put them on the bar and then put them up there. But I'm realizing since there's like this middle hook, we may actually have to do it half by half.
Let it snow.
I love that. I think that looks so good. Maybe we should add one more on this side. We're trying to decide between red or white, and I'm kind of leaning towards red, so let's do red. Doesn't this look so pretty, guys? Y'all know what time it is. Cold chocolate time. Every time I see that like floor mat, I'm like, oh, the floor is dirty, but then I realize that's actually just the color. I think that looks so good. I don't think that could have turned out any better. Let's do the final walkthrough. So we now have the ribbon, and when we walk in, we first go to the bathroom, which we have all of our little Christmas decor. As we then walk into the hallway, you start to see the glimpse. And we have the garland, the beautiful ornaments, the tree, the living room, that one.
The Grinch.
We have the floor mat, the mugs, the sign, as well as our snowman. And I really just want to show you guys what it looks like at night, because in my opinion, Christmas looks so much better at night. Look at it. Thomas says the garland isn't as bright, but it looks so nice. And as well as our little candle, we got this at a craft fair. It is by Camp, and it's fallen snow. Oh my goodness, the Christmas tree looks so good. All of our ornaments are from Walmart. They came in the package that you guys saw while I was doing the other ornament thing. And guys, that brings us to the end of Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in 2 days. Peace. Oh, and